Hi everyone, welcome. It's Hannah. I usually talk about food here. You're gonna hear this guy. He's a little out of sorts because we changed the clocks back. So if you hear his clicking, it's from this guy, Dookie. Oh, see, he's drooling, sorry about that. But it's not time to eat, buddy. He's pushing up against me. So I thought I would take you along and share with you what we have started prepping for winter, and we have a stand-up freezer in our garage, and I wanted to walk you through that. I don't think I have done that yet. So here on my channel, I usually talk about food, so we're going to talk about that today and a little bit of prepping, getting ready for winter. And we like to store a lot of soups and stews, and we are really big skiers. We ski usually every weekend, so it's really nice to come home and know what we're having. Just it's already in the freezer. We'll thaw it before we go, and it's a nice routine that we've fallen into. So anyway, before we go anywhere, I've been in the kitchen most of the day today. So actually, I haven't been alone. My husband has been in the kitchen as well. He made from scratch 15 bean soup. I don't use that package. He did soak the beans overnight. Here's what it looks like, all right? Can you see that? There you go, it's very thick. So he put in some, the beans, of course, some of our potatoes that we grew this year, and rice. He has vegetables in there. Oh, I saw him chopping carrots. And he put in some turkey sausage, but he left them in chunks, sort of like little meatballs, because our young one likes that. So that, and he put in quite a bit of diced tomatoes. So that means that's a no for me. I can't do a lot of that. Anyway, I'm over here prepping some, what is the beginning stages of chicken soup. So that sat all day yesterday on a simmer. I just deboned it, and that is in the broth right now. I'm going to be cutting up vegetables right after this. And over here I have in packages, I have 9 pounds of turkey burger that I added the taco seasoning to. I know I talk about this a lot because we go through a lot of taco stuff, but we also put it in our chili. And man, you guys, we eat a lot of chili in the winter. It's really good, especially after skiing. So anyways, Duke, I'm gonna head out to the garage, and then I'll show you what we have going on in there. All right, so this is our stand-up freezer. We've had it for about 8 years. It's worked perfect, and it is chock-a-block full. I am really not in charge of the organization or really what goes in here, to be quite honest. My husband does a lot of that because I tend to be the, I'll toss it in there, I'll toss that in there. And as you'll see, things are in order. So I really appreciate that about him. All right, so let's move to the door first. So there is a theme here. We have a lot of these sausages. We go through a lot of these in the winter time and summer. Every time he goes to the grocery store, he buys turkey bacon. So we have many items in there. We like the Morningstar veggie burgers. We have plenty of those in there. We are going to start moving away from them and making our own. And then the rest on this entire door are frozen vegetables. We go through a ton of them. Actually, I need to put some of this, look at that broccoli. It's been in here for a while, guys, but that's fine. It'll be fine. Rice, cauliflower, carrots, and look at all of this spinach. And I think there's kale in here as well. My husband uses this for his smoothies every morning, so we go through a ton of this. Look at it, it's bulging. Yikes. Okay, over here, we have the burger. A lot of this is the burger that I prepped, so this is going to be full. I think that's rice in the back. I don't know what he did. Here's some old marinara sauce. I don't want to say old, but we haven't gone through it yet. I don't know what's up in there, you guys, and I'm too short to reach. So we're gonna go with, well, I can't even tell. Here are our berries, and for our smoothies, again, we have a lot of strawberries, blueberries, mango. I think there's some pineapple in here. Here's some, I had to look just the other day what was in here, but these are popsicles. Those will last until they get freezer burnt, I guess. Yeah, they'll be fine. This is all the chicken stuff. All right, so you really can't see in there, but we have chicken. This is, do you hear my dog? He's whining. This is marinating chicken. So let's see, it shows the day, and then two breasts that are marinating. And when I say marinating, we all know that it is marinating in olive oil and that packet of Italian seasoning. Down here on the next shelf, rolls, English muffins, okay, water bottles, that's his thing. We have 3 turkeys, you guys. Don't judge. I didn't buy them. We go through 2, maybe a season, but when they go on sale, we grab one. And prices are kind of going up. I'm a little, I've got some wide eyes behind the camera here. Anyway, and then just some hodgepodge stuff. Oh, well, actually, this is bread. When bread goes on sale, as you can see, my husband bought that too for $5. The Pepperidge Farm multigrain is one of our favorites. I don't usually eat a lot of it, but my daughter does. We have Texas toast in here, and we only take it out when we need it, and that is for our French toast. Let me know if you use Texas toast as well. And just a hodgepodge of things. And then this is the splurge drawer. So these are French fries and the hash browns, or yeah, I guess hash browns, diced potatoes. And so this is for like morning stuff, and we had pizza the other day. We had some family down, so we took these out. Guys, these usually are on sale, $2 a bag. Now they're $3. But you can get them on sale pretty cheap. It's Grown in Idaho brand. Anyway, they're really good, and you can crisp them up in your oven, and they taste so good. So this is our stand-up freezer and what we've got going on. Okay, I'm back inside. He's here too. Yes, wondering when I'm going to feed him. Sophie, gosh, Duke, you still have another hour, and I'm being generous. So I'm in our pantry. If you've followed, or been following, you've seen the pantry. My husband organizes this, you guys. We have 9-foot ceilings, and it goes all the way to the very top, as you can see. So a lot of our spices and other things that we have on hand is great. In case we run out, we know there's something there. So he's really good about keeping stuff stocked. When we run out of something, he'll grab another one. Pastas, as you can see, there's a lot of pasta here. If we stopped growing grocery shopping, this pasta would last us, oh my gosh, with everything else we have, a while. We don't eat a pasta a lot. Anyway, I just made my daughter ramen with these rice noodles, you guys. Oh, it was so good. I made her, what did she want? She wanted peanut butter ramen from a YouTube channel that she watches, and they have peanut butter ramen. So I sauteed garlic and butter in a pan. I put soy sauce and water in there. I think crushed red pepper. I can hardly handle that. And then peanut butter, and not a lot, maybe a quarter cup. And a half a reel of this in here in another pot to get these ready. And then I blended the two together in that pot that everything was sauteing in, and it fed 3 people. So I didn't have too much, but we had some family here, and people enjoyed it. It was really, really good. She loves it. It's going to be a great hit for winter. So I Googled it. I Googled a recipe and found one that I thought would work. Anyway, so up in here, it's just some random hodgepodge stuff. There's a lot of stuff that for baking that we go to a lot. Look at all of the Toll House stuff. This imitation vanilla we have tons of. It's a hit or miss in the grocery store, went last year especially. So anyway, so let's see. We have our protein bars, you guys. We are not eating these, only if we have to. If we go out and we need a meal, because as you might know, these are really hard to come by right now, and they're getting more expensive. My family has these once a day, and then dates. My love of these dates are so good. These are my favorite right here. The Woodstock Organic. I will do just fine with these. This brand right here of the Medjool dates, and this is my daughter's little stash. As you can see, she has lots of candy left over from Halloween that was well over 2 weeks ago, and this is her entire stash. Literally nothing has been touched. Nothing. She's eaten stuff here and there. Look, someone gave out honey sticks. I'm gonna do that. I might actually put some in her. Well, it might be a Christmas gift. She really likes those. But anyways, on this side we have a ton of stuff. We have coffee way up there. And we have already prepped for our chocolate. I don't know if you can see that, but that is for the winter time for sure. We bring hot chocolate every time we go skiing. We will not pay for it in the lodge. We bring our own. Anyways, this is all kinds of flour. I know he just bought a big, I think it's 10-pounder in the back. Look at all the tuna he got. That's my favorite tuna, actually. It's the Diamond, Ace Diamond brand. And we have some in the fridge. So anyways, you've seen mostly the rest of this. The tortillas, we haven't been eating a lot of that. The Nutella, I don't even eat that stuff, you guys. That's deadly good. Here are my Kodiak cake stuff. We still are getting Kodiak cakes. I baked some in the middle of the week, so I have plenty in the refrigerator for that. These are what we're getting for Tostito chips, and we are being very frugal when we eat our chips lately because they are really hard to come by. It's really hard to come by this brand right here. I think I may have discussed that, but it's seriously a hit or miss. Up here, way up here, where I would need a 4-foot ladder. That's my husband's cereal. The Kashi, I think, in some grocery stores, that's going for $4 a box now. And he is being very frugal in how he eats his oats. He eats a big thing of oats in the morning with Kashi on top and banana. And I think, I'm going to move the camera. The chia seeds. He puts chia seeds on them, and it's really hard to get the oats right now. Anyways, and then some paper products. Anyway, and that's it for now. The refrigerator is stocked full, and yeah, the refrigerator is stocked full, and we are ready to go and tackle this week. And this week is, I think we have Thursday off. I'm a teacher. I have Thursday off for Veterans Day. So if you're a veteran or have a veteran in your family, thank you so much for contributing to our country and serving. And enjoy your day off if you do have that day off, or if you are going to be in a parade or representing of some kind. So we appreciate our veterans. So thank you so much. On that note, I'm gonna hang out with this guy a little bit longer and keep him company so he can make it till at least 4:30. Can you do that, bud? He's gonna be 14 this year. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're a good boy. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great week.